Open the actual fifth grade standard, 5.1, and it doesn't say the scientific method. It says scientific and engineering practices. Asking questions, naming your variables, measuring in metric, putting your data in a graph, using science to back up a claim. That's a different animal altogether, and it's the one that shows up on the SOL in May. So today, I'm going to take that fuzzy little 4-box poster and turn it into something a kid actually does, built on the practices Virginia really tests. And anybody could pick it up and teach it. And I'm going to build the whole thing from a blank screen with Claude. Now, you already know the AI tools will just spit out a scientific method worksheet if you ask. 4 boxes, fill in the blank, done. That's not the same thing though, but they think for you. You get what they decided a 5th grader should do. Today, I want to show you the other way, the way where you stay the teacher and you tell Claude what the standard actually asks for. And Claude does the heavy lifting on your plan. Okay, watch how this goes. First thing, I don't hand Claude a vibe. I hand it the actual standard. That's 5.1, straight from Virginia's own document, not my memory of it, not Claude's guess. The real thing, because if the standard is even a little bit off, everything I build on top of it is going to be off. Now, I tell Claude what I'm actually teaching. One simple investigation, a ramp and a toy car. The question is, does raising the ramp change how far the car travels? That one little experiment lets a kid hit every practice on that standard. Watch. See what I did there? I didn't ask for a scientific method worksheet. I told it the practices I needed a kid to actually do. Name the variables, measure in centimeters, run 3 trials, build a data table, build the graph, write a claim backed by their numbers. And here it is. Look at what is on this page. The independent variable, the ramp height, that's the thing that they change. The dependent variable, how far the car actually rolls, the thing they measure. And everything else, same car, same floor, same starting line, those are all controlled variables. That word, controlled, that's the one the 4-box poster never teaches. And it's all over the SO. 3 trials, not 1, because 1 trial isn't evidence, it's an accident. They average their 3, they plot it, and because both things they're measuring are numbers, height and distance, they use a line graph, not a bar graph. That choice right there is a tested skill. And the last line on the page isn't, what did you conclude? It's, what does your data show? And how do you know? Claim and evidence. That is the whole 5.1 SOL. That took me a few minutes. And notice, I never stopped being the teacher. I picked the experiment, I picked the practices. Claude just did the typing and formatting for me. So that's the difference. A tool that thinks for you hands you 4 boxes and hopes. You, thinking with Claude, hand your kids the practices Virginia actually tests and a page they can pick up and run with. You don't need another tool that thinks for you. You need to think better with one. And I would love to show you how. If you're teaching force and motion next, this investigation is the on-ramp to the whole force and motion unit waiting for you inside the Prompt Teacher Collective. It's already built and audited. I build new things every week, and I'm usually the last car in the parking lot for a reason. So I'll see you on the next one.